Good morning, it's Walter Montero. Here are 5 things worth knowing today in Cambridge: real estate, mortgages, and Canadian politics. First, Cambridge Council is set to vote today on the new Hespeler Road corridor secondary plan. The plan could reshape Hespeler Road over the next 25 years, allowing significantly more residential density and buildings up to 25 stories in designated areas. For property owners along the corridor, especially older plazas and large commercial sites, this could create some very interesting redevelopment opportunities. Second, the Bank of Canada's next interest rate announcement is September 2nd. The overnight rate remains at 2.25%, and another hold is currently expected. For anyone with a mortgage coming up for renewal, there's really no reason to wait. It makes sense to start reviewing your options now. Third, Waterloo Region buyers are still very active, but they're being cautious. July saw nearly 23,000 home showings, up more than 22% from last year. Yet home sales were actually down about 10%. Buyers are looking, but they're taking their time and they're not prepared to overpay. For sellers, pricing properly from day one remains critical. Fourth, the Canada-U.S. trade dispute continues to escalate. Canada is planning retaliatory tariffs beginning September 8th after negotiations with the United States broke down. This is especially important for Ontario because anything that affects manufacturing jobs, inflation, or economic confidence can eventually work its way into both the housing market and interest rates. And finally, major redevelopment is already happening along Hespeler Road. One current proposal includes 5 20-story mixed-use buildings with more than 1,300 apartments along with commercial and office space. So the changes being discussed for Hespeler Road aren't just theoretical. Developers are already moving. The big takeaway today: keep an eye on today's Cambridge Council decision. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, or you have a mortgage coming up for renewal, give Karen or me a call at 519-624-9222. We'd be happy to go over your options and help you make sense of what's happening in the market. Have a great day.